Good morning, children. Let's discuss about cell structure and function. Introduction. Cell. All living organisms are made up of cells. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of complex organisms like human beings and animals. Cells perform all the metabolic activities taking place at cellular level. The, the conversion of food to energy to run cellular processes. Conversion of food in vitamins and proteins. The discovery of cells was possible with the invention of microscope. Microscopes. The two types of microscopes used to visualize the cell. Compound microscope and electron microscope. Compound microscope is an instrument used to magnify the specimen up to 4000 times. Here, electron microscope is used for very large magnification of the specimen. Compound microscope consists of a stage on which the specimen is placed under an objective piece. Electron microscope, it uses a beam of electrons to magnify the specimen. Compound microscopes, the light reflected from the mirror is used to illuminate the specimen. Electron microscopes are spread by electromagnetics and to a photographic plate to obtain enlarged image of the specimen. Compound microscopes from the eyepiece, a magnified image of the specimen is seen. Electron microscope, it magnifies the specimen up to 1 lakh times. The organisms which cannot be seen by naked eye are selected as specimen. Electron microscope, it is used to observe very small structures of the size of 10 angstrom. History of cell. Robert Hooke in 1665 observed many tiny hollow room-like structures in a thin slice of a cork through a compound microscope and called them cells. Leeuwenhoek in 1674 with the improved microscope discovered free living cells in a pond water for the first time. Robert Brown in 1831 discovered the nucleus in the cell. Schleiden in 1838 and Schwann in 1839 proposed the cell theory, which stated that all plants and animals are composed of cells. Cells is derived from the Latin word cellula, which means a little room. Cell theory in next video, part 2. So children, for notes you check the link in description. Thank you for watching video.